Hi friends, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Today we learn about data interpretation. Today we learn about data interpretation. Visual communication is dominant form of communication from times immemorial because our brains are designed to process information visually popular than text when presenting certain types of information, especially dense information, pie charts, tree diagrams, tables, bar graphs, and flow charts are all diagrams that present information visually. A pie chart is a circular diagram divided into sectors to illustrate numerical proportions. In a pie diagram, the total of all the given items is equated to 360 degrees and the degrees of angles representing different items are the breakup of one continuous variable into its component parts. Data interpretation is the process of reviewing data through some predefined processes which will help assign some meaning to the data and arrive at a relevant conclusion. It involves taking the result of data analysis, making information on the relations studied, and using them to conclude. So, today we learn about data interpretation. So, in this one, today we learn how to interpret the data given in a pie diagram. Observe the following pie diagram carefully and answer the questions given after them. So, this is your pie diagram. A circle is given in which each and every component is divided according to their value. Clear? So, a question is given. This pie diagram will be given. Clear? And next, some 5 questions will be given. And you are supposed to answer these 5 questions. For this, what I suggest, carefully you should study the diagram given. Everything you have to check. You should not leave any component. How much water do we use? Do not read the questions first. Read the information what is given. We use water for 26.7% for toilet. So leakages, 13.7% of water would leak, and for other we use 5.3%. For washing clothes we use 21.7. For faucet 15.7%, and for shower we use 16.8%. This is the data given with the help of a pie diagram. And next, figure, source, American Waterworks Association Research Foundation, residential end users of water 1999. Everything, each and everything that is given in the pie diagram, you should check, and then you should go for the questions. So, what is the first question? What does the pie chart show? So, in the above chart, what information is given? So, what is the information? How much water do do we use? How much water do we use? How much water do we use? This is the information given in your pie chart. Clear? So next question. What do we do? What do we use maximum water? For what item we use maximum? Then again you check everything. When you again check everything, toilet 26.7, leaks 13.7, others 5.3, close 21.7, faucet 15.7, shower 16.8. So what is, under what heading we use maximum water? Toilet. What is the answer for this? Toilet. 26.7%. Understood? So what is the next question given? How many types of usage of water is taken into consideration? How many types of usage of water is taken into consideration? So you have to count all these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. Total how many are there? 6. Total how many headings are there? 6. Next. How much water is wasted on leaks? How much water is wasted on leaks? How much? 13.7. 13.7%. 13.7% of water gets wasted through leakages. Clear? And next, what is the source of the information? You see, the source of the information is given here. The source of the information is given here. So that thing you should copy. That thing you should copy. Clear? What is the source? The source is, what is the source? The source is American Water Works Association. American Water Works Association Research Foundation. They conducted a research on residential end users of water in what year? 1999. Understood? So if a question is given like this, actually this lesson is meant for intermediate second year students from Telugu states. That means for both Andhra and Telangana region senior intermediate students. This lesson is for. Clear? I think you understood how to answer this. Very easy to bag 5 marks. Only your attention is needed. You need not to add anything. Only whatever the information is given in the pie diagram, just you have to what? Identify that and you have to copy that. That's all. Clear? I think you understood my today's lesson. If you like my lesson, do not forget to subscribe my account, my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.